if you've ever felt like AI is treating you like a stranger and it doesn't know enough about you, it's most likely because you have never introduced yourself. Now, you would never take on a staff member or an intern and not give them at least some basic context about who you are and what you do. So we need to do the same with AI. Now, there's various stages we can do this with. The simplest and most easy is to literally go into your settings, into the personalization part, and tell it more about you. There is literally a section called More About You, and you've got 1,500 characters, which is a few hundred words, to tell it about you. Now, this is excellent because you do it once and it applies to every single conversation moving forwards. So that addresses the issue that I find is that sometimes AI sounds like a stranger. Now, the second bugbear that I have with AI is that AI is a yes man. Now, I've been led down the garden path more times than I care to admit with business ideas, programs, app ideas, you name it. I've had AI blow wind into my sails when it wasn't really the best advice from it. Now, AI is designed to be agreeable, but what we actually want is somebody that treats us with enough respect to tell us the truth. Now, when I had these business ideas, AI made me feel like a genius. But then I stopped for a second and I thought, hang on, now be devil's advocate. Now tell me why the ideas are no good. And as soon as I did that, it's as if it had all these cards close to its chest that it didn't share with me because it didn't want to hurt my feelings. And as soon as I asked it, it said, oh, look, Adam, here's half a dozen reasons why that idea is no good. And they were legit. So it was only then that I realized, hang on, I'm going down the wrong path here. I've dodged a bullet, but only having invested already quite a bit of time. So what we actually need, and I've heard Dan Martell refer to it as a Ruthless Mentor. So we can actually go in to ChatGPT or Claude or wherever and tell it, please don't be a yes man. I need you to be my ruthless mentor and challenge my thinking and look for blind spots and play devil's advocate because I need you to tell me uncomfortable truths now rather than allow me make expensive mistakes later. So that really, really helps. So we can do that 5 minutes each. You put 1,500 characters, a few hundred words into More About You and into the custom instructions. And that's going to apply to every single conversation moving forwards. That gets you started. As your sophistication improves and as you go through this AI journey, what you'll find is that you want to set up more robust and detailed descriptions of who you are, your business, your ideal client, your methodology, your philosophy, your compliance and guardrails and all of that other stuff. But as a starting point, those two sections get you off and racing, and just know that you can get more robust further down the track as you set this stuff up more properly. So serious professionals, business owners, this stuff is super important because doing it wrong has real life consequences. You don't need to be told the hot water you can land in when you don't do these types of things properly. So it's worth taking the time, doing it properly with someone who can show you exactly what to do safely, reliably, so that you can get on and use AI to create more leverage in your business.